Congratulations on the purchase of your Olympic pool step. You are now one step closer to fully enjoying your pool. It is important to assemble the steps using the installation guide provided with the product. This video serves as a complement to the installation guide. Safety notes. To avoid damaging the steps and to minimize the risk of injury, carefully follow these instructions. Install the steps on a solid base. The steps should only be used for entering and exiting the pool. Any other use may damage the steps and pool structure. Do not jump. Do not dive. Do not swim through, behind, or around the steps to prevent entrapment and drowning. These steps are designed for above-ground pools with heights of 48, 52, or 54 inches. They must be removed from the pool and stored in a dry place for winter. Step 1. Insert the post support under the steps and secure it with 4 screws. Ensure correct orientation. Repeat for the second support. Assemble the handrails. It is recommended to assemble the entire module before tightening the screws. Slide the long posts into the hole of the second step. Do not insert the post beyond the edge under the step. Slide the safety panel along the post, ensuring the edge fits into the slot. Insert the short posts into the support of the upper step and attach the step arms. Insert the handrail into the post and secure all pieces, except for the step arms. Finally, tighten the lower posts under the steps. Insert the center and bottom covers. Assemble the adjustable feet. Insert the leg into the foot and attach it with the provided screw and washer. Do not over-tighten. The legs should pivot slightly. Place the cover. Repeat for the second foot. Carefully add 50 pounds of small gravel to the self-adjusting ballast. Attach the ballast under the steps using clips and 8 screws. Insert the assembled feet into the ballast. 2 people are needed to place the steps in the pool. The gap between the pool wall and the steps must not exceed 2 inches to prevent damaging the pool side and prevent that a swimmer gets trapped behind the steps. Secure the arms to the pool deck with screws. Align and attach the arms to the posts with 4 screws. Do not use a power drill over water. You are now ready to enter and exit your pool safely. Enjoy your swim.